Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidgy channel. Today's video will explain why Android phone calls go straight to voicemail. Android phones inexplicably send incoming calls directly to voicemail without ringing or vibrating. This problem, while not major, is really annoying. Because of this issue, you might miss important calls and it can impact your life. When you encounter the problem of Android phone calls going straight to voicemail, you'll want to fix it immediately. Before fixing the problem, you can understand the reasons why Android phone calls go directly to voicemail to prevent it from happening again. Please watch patiently. This video is applicable to phone models including Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. Why are your phone calls going straight to voicemail instead of ringing? If your incoming calls always go to voicemail, it may be related to your settings and network. For example, you may have Do Not Disturb mode, airplane mode, call blocking, call forwarding, and related network services enabled. These could all be reasons why Android phone calls go straight to voicemail. Don't worry, you can still solve these problems to stop Android phone calls from going straight to voicemail. When the problem of incoming calls on Android phones going straight to voicemail occurs, you can try the following solutions. These solutions are ones we have researched and tried, and successfully fixed Android phones that go straight to voicemail. You need to patiently try each method, and we believe one of them will help you. Finally, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to disable Do Not Disturb mode. If Do Not Disturb mode is enabled on your Android phone without your knowledge, the situation where Android calls go straight to voicemail will occur. To fix incoming calls going straight to voicemail on your Android device, you need to turn off Do Not Disturb mode. To turn off Do Not Disturb, simply swipe down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down again to open the full Quick Settings panel. Here, check if the Do Not Disturb button is enabled. If it is, turn it off immediately. Method 2 is to disable airplane mode. Similar to Do Not Disturb mode, airplane mode can also cause Android phone calls to go straight to voicemail. Therefore, you also need to check if airplane mode is enabled. To check if airplane mode is enabled, you need to swipe down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down again to open the full Quick Settings panel. Here, check if the airplane mode button is enabled. If it is, turn it off immediately. After this, the problem of Android phone calls going straight to voicemail should be resolved. Method 3 is to check call forwarding. Call forwarding redirects your calls to another number or voicemail. So, if your Android phone has call forwarding enabled, calls will go directly to a voicemail box. To disable this feature, try the following steps. Using a Samsung phone as an example, open the phone app on your phone screen, then tap the three-dot icon in the upper right corner to open the menu. Select the Settings option in the menu. In Settings, find the Supplementary Services option, and then tap the Call Forwarding option again. Make sure all options under Call Forwarding are turned off. Method 4 is to unblock the number. If only a single number cannot reach you, consider whether you have blocked it. If so, incoming calls from that number may go directly to a dedicated voicemail for blocked numbers. This is why calls are going directly to voicemail. To fix this, go to your blocked list and remove the number. After that, everything should return to normal. Method 5 is to check the SIM card. A damaged or improperly installed SIM card can also cause calls to go straight to voicemail, so checking the SIM card is important. You need to do this. First, turn off your phone. Then, use a SIM card ejector tool to push it into the hole next to the SIM card tray to eject the SIM card tray. Then remove the SIM card and check for any obvious damage. After checking, if there are no obvious problems, reinsert the SIM card correctly. After correctly inserting the SIM card, see if the problem of the phone not ringing and calls going to voicemail still exists. If there is a problem with the SIM card, please contact your carrier. Method 6 is to restart your phone. A simple restart can also fix Android phone calls that keep going to voicemail. Don't underestimate the power of a restart. Restarting can clear temporary glitches and software problems on your phone. If these glitches happen to affect your Android phone's calling function, then restarting is one of the best solutions. To restart your Android phone, try the following steps. Press and hold the power button until the restart screen appears. On the restart screen, tap the restart icon, and your phone will restart. Please wait patiently for the restart to complete. After the restart, you should be able to answer incoming calls on your Android phone normally. Method 7 is to seek help. If none of the above solutions stop calls from going directly to voicemail on your Android phone, you need to consider whether the problem is related to your SIM card or if you are outside your carrier's service area. Both of these situations can also cause Android phone calls to go straight to voicemail. Therefore, you need to contact your carrier or take your phone to an official service center for assistance. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know in the comments section which method helped you solve the problem. Also, if you think there are areas where we can improve, please feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section. Thank you. Good luck.